Hello, everybody. It's Mindy. Welcome, welcome, one and all. If you're new here, hi. I hope you find some stuff you like here and you stick around and hit that subscribe button. And for all of you who have already hit that subscribe button, thank you very much. I told you guys that when I hit 7,500, I was going to do a little giveaway. I'm going to do that. I'm going to get to it. I got a couple things I've been kind of picking up from here and there that I'm going to put in that giveaway. So stay tuned for that. All right. Let's show you these diamond paintings I have from DPClubs. They've been sitting here for quite a while. I got way behind on videos and things. I haven't put up the same video twice. That didn't help. Anyhow, let's look at what I got from DPClubs. Are you ready? I'm ready. This was so colorful and pretty. I don't get the full drill very often, but I thought, well, let's throw one in here occasionally. And how could you deny that beautiful, beautiful butterfly? It's just a small 30 by 30. It probably measures out 25 by 25 or 24. Let's see. I haven't measured in a long time. Let's see. What's our measurements here? I'm going to guess 25 by 25. Let's see. Okay, cut the chase right in the middle, 24 and a half. But it's really pretty, isn't it? It's got 18 colors. I love it. Love, love, love it. I think it's going to be super pretty. I mean, we can see them right here in the bag. Look, purple, another purple, peach, blue, orange, yellow, blue. That's kind of like a pinkish color. Brown, green. Okay, when we get to the end, we lose some of our colors here. I know, Joe. I know. I don't like to take them out of the bags when they're all in baggies. You're right. But I'll let you see the end ones here. They're all in order too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all in order. Let's look at the last few since you can't see them in the bag. All right. Now I can see them. Now I just spread them out. Look, now I spread them out. You can see them just fine. Brown, orange, pink, blue, and like a whitish color. There's our colors. Love it. I think it'll be super pretty. I like it. What do you think? I like it a lot. Want to see it up close? Clear as a bell. Yep, lots of confetti. When you get these backgrounds, there's lots of confetti in these. IIJT, you know. All right. Next, what do we have next? Another cute one. They're all cute. In my opinion, they're all cute, right? They had trucks, okay? There's the pink trucks with the pink flowers. There's also red trucks. There are red trucks. Christopher, do you have any of the red trucks? I don't know. I haven't seen you unbox any of the red trucks. But look at red trucks and those big tulips coming out of it and stuff. Everything in the trucks is completely like oversized, exaggerated, but it's okay. It's okay. They're just pretty. Look at all these little specials in here. No, those are going to be rhinestones. B's, A's, C's. Okay, looks like there's 3. There are 9 different drills. I love it. So there are a variety of these as well. So you'll learn when you start looking at some of these companies, they'll give you like 4 or 5 or 6, and they're all in the same like style. So there were other red trucks with flowers as well. Just like there were other pink trucks with flowers. So you got to hunt through and see which ones you like. Make sure you get the right one. Here's our rhinestones. Clear. These are bright. Goodness gracious, these are bright. They don't look like they have an inch of dust on them. They're super shiny. I don't know why that just struck me right away. They're like super bright and shiny. Anyhow, I love that, right? There's some black, regular black, and red. Then we have some red, round, faceted. These are beautiful. Wow. I don't know. Maybe it's the sun. Or are they really just that much prettier? I don't know. These cute little marquees and some pink. Love it. Wow. Okay. Let's see what the rest of them look like. I don't know. Those were fantastic. All right. Moving on. I had to get some sunflowers, right? Love sunflowers. Look at those big special drills right there. And then there's going to be a bunch of marquees on the leaves. And then I bet these are gold shards on all of these petals. There are only 7 different drills for this. I love this gingham background. I think it just makes the yellow sunflowers just pop right off that blue background. I think it's going to be gorgeous. I'm ready. I'm so ready for smashing the specials in August with Brandy. Mystery of Diamonds. We are going to smash the you-know-what out of some special drills. I like how some people are able to finish them and show them to you at the end of the video. You know, that's not me. Just not me. I'm always working on too many large ones all at the same time. And I don't have time to get to all the little ones. And so smashing the specials, that is my jam. It's my time of year. Whew, I'm ready. All right. Now see, these aren't quite as bright as, I don't know. Those just struck me as super bright. Anyhow, greens and yellows. A lot of yellow to outline all of those sunflowers. We have a little bit of black, AB. I have no idea where that goes, but it's on there somewhere. Here's the shards. Like I said, gold shards are going to be on all of those petals. There's the big gold balls for the centers. And look, there's the pretty green marquees for the leaves. Where are those black ABs going to go? They're the number 4. Where are they? I don't know. Let's find them. I'm curious now. Oh, they outline the butterfly right there. That might be it. They outline this butterfly. There you go. Cute. Love it. All right, let me put that one away. I know, right? I'm going to get these out again soon. You're going to see a bunch of these later because it is really close to August. All right, here's this guy. I had to do it, right? I had to do it. I mean, there's a bunch of these too. This is just the one that he was in the garden, and it says Gnome Garden. I mean, I had to get the one that says Gnome Garden. And he's like sitting in the watering can, right? He's got some mushrooms, he's got butterflies, he's got flowers. Look at his wild stash. He's like, wow. He's holding the Gnome Garden sign. I love it. Oh, man. Cute. 20 different colors for that thing. It's amazing. There were others. If you like this style, they're a different style of gnome painting. You know, there's lots of different gnome paintings, but those were a little different. All right, let's see here if we can arrange these 20 colors so you can see them. All right, pink, purple, brown, olive green. There's a gray tucked in there. Pretty pink, purple, blue, green, mint. There's a yellow. See the yellow? He's hiding. Don't let him hide from me. He's right there. Pinks, blues, and then we have these last few down here. What color do you call that? A taupe. There's a couple of greens and another bright green there. Love it, right? Love, love, love it. All right, last one. I love this one. This one definitely, I think, is coming out for Smashing the Specials. Here's your toolkit. That's what they look like. Everyone comes with one of those. Look at it is flip-flops. I did a flip-flop one. It's a smaller one. It's a 30 by 30 flip-flop that I want to scrapbook. I know I keep talking about the scrapbooking thing, but I want to do it. But I love this. So look at these borders. Now you could do whatever you want with these borders. You could use the drills that come with it to do these borders, or you could even go to DP with sparklers and you could get like she calls them slivers, I think. So they're like rectangular, and wouldn't they make beautiful borders? I mean, they're more solid. I think they take up 3 or 4 spaces. Wouldn't those be fun? Yeah. So check her out as well. I know I'm double dipping here in my video, but anyhow, there's that. So then we got these 7s on our flip-flops. We've got these 8s. There's only 8 different drills for this, but I love this. All of the yellow is just printed, but I think they're so cute. I think they are so, so cute. Let's check out these drills, and then I'll be letting you go because that's it, folks. So let's see what we got. All right. Yeah, see, these look pretty too. Nice and bright and clear. Well, then this one looks dusty. I don't know. It all depends on what factory they get these from. Because, you know, the factories make them, and then the companies purchase from the factories. So They get things from different places. And that's why most of the companies will have kind of the same things. They're all purchasing from the same factories. But pretty colors, magenta, red, clear. And here's the special ones. So we're going to have green dots on all of our flip-flops, those 7s. And then 8s are the big gold balls. Love it. So, cute. So, which one do you like? Which one should I bring out? Well, I can't bring this one out for smashing the specials because not special drills. I could bring out the sunflowers for smashing the specials. And definitely bring out the flip-flops for smashing the specials. How about a red truck? Should we work on a red truck for smashing the specials? That would go pretty quick. It really would. I mean, if you look at this, if you really look at it, none of this is drilled, none of that, none of this. It would go really fast. There's not that many drills on that one. What do you think? Tell me which ones I should do for smashing the specials. Any of them? None of them? All of them? And then how about the hundreds that I have downstairs? Right? Okay. Anyhow, thank you, DP Clubs, for sending these and letting me show everybody. I will link them all below so that you can find them. There was a series of flowers. There definitely was a series of trucks. And there were, I don't know, 3 or 4 different flip-flop pictures. So, yeah. Check them out. Make sure you get the one you want, all right? My link will take you to probably the whole group, I'm assuming. It might take you to the specific picture, but you should be able to find the group of them there as well. All right, I'm going to stop rambling now, and I'm going to let you go, and I will talk to you later. And thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe, and, hang out for a while. I appreciate it. All right, see you soon.